Hey everybody, I'm at the Home Depot, ready to pick up my toolbox. Big rollaway toolbox for the new gig, man. Yeah, got Vicky. Got Vicky all ready, loaded up.
He's gonna get the guys to come help him put it in there.
Cool. It's a bit heavy, huh?
Yeah.
Nice. Alright. Slide it right up in there. It comes with a pallet. Need a forklift, huh?
Yep.
Your cord.
Yeah, I was up top, so I had to have someone come that had a forklift license and do all that.
I see.
He was with another customer, so I was like, okay, please get it for me, please.
It happens. 5.2. Look at that. Forklift it. Let me get some video of this. This is exciting stuff.
Might want to be careful though. Hey, there's a whole lot of dangerous stuff out here. Lower your fork just a little bit. Just a little. Yeah, go ahead.
Forklift it. Let me get some video of this. This is exciting stuff. All right, score.
Now, you lower down to him.
There we go. I could back it up too. Gonna work on his forklift skills.
He got That's not gonna work.
There you go.
Not gonna work. That's not gonna work.
Think it's fucking him, not you.
You sound like me though.
Perfect. All right. Score. All right, there it is. Some assembly required. Looks like 235 pounds assembled. Let's get this to my new workplace, shall we? So I unboxed it, unboxed the box, and then I realized there's no key. I've looked everywhere. It did not include a key. And it has this little ribbon that says key, but it's locked up, man. Dear God. So it looks like I have to go back to Home Depot and say, hey, where's the freaking key, man? Where's the key? Yeah, this is crazy, you guys. I've got like, I've got an hour to get this box to the place, deliver it to my new workplace, and I don't have the keys to the box. So that's great. I'm gonna have to go explain this to my new boss and go, hey man, they gave me a box with no keys. I've looked everywhere for the keys. There's no keys. So great. Maybe that's why it was on sale. I got 50 bucks off because it had no keys. I'm going to the new auto shop right now and gonna talk to the boss and explain to him the situation. I have to get down there early in the morning, I suppose, and unload my tools. And so it's back back to Home Depot with me. There it goes. Box of monkeys from the Home Depot. It's nice box. Yeah, man, I was there for quite some time in that spot, just waiting for him to find the box again. All the people from the first getting the box, they'd all gone home. And this guy had to search the many acres of warehouse to find the box again. So that took some time. Yeah, that one came locked. This one unlocked. And that's what we need to see. Right there. I feel much safer about taking this one with me.
Okay.
Get a little.
Yeah, I just pulled it down off a pallet, so
Okay,
should
cool.
be fresh, brand new.
Shouldn't be too beat up then.
Well,
Hopefully not.
hopefully not.
All right. This guy who found the second box was a huge guy. Now I live in Washington State, so I can't just film people without their permission or having them fill out forms and such. I didn't film his physical person, but a big dude. In the first video, like a crew of dudes come out and a forklift to put this thing in the van. In the second video, and I didn't help him the second time. I'm like, dude, I got back problems. Like, maybe you should get some other folks to help. And he just wrestled it in the van here all by himself. It's like, you got this, man. Sweet. By himself, without a forklift. Serious kudos to Home Depot for hiring this dude. I mean, this is good customer service, I tell you what. And they better keep guys like that on, you know. Give that guy a raise for sure. Good job, man. Thank you.
Yep. We're all set.
All right, I'm gonna unbox it. I'm gonna unbox it right here. Emma brought me razor knife. Oh yeah. This one has keys, and it's open. The other one came locked. So, keys. Sweet. I didn't lose them. It was locked. You ever have that happen, like self-doubt creeps in, and you're like, I lost. Did I lose them? Were they on top? And I pulled all the stuff, and it just went on the ground at Home Depot somewhere? No. No. But self-doubt, man. This job, this experience, being hired at this place. Oh no, I didn't get this job right. Self-doubt creeps in and you're going, oh, what did I do? What happened? Was it that last accident in the lift car I was in? But I got hired. All right, so yeah, talked to the new boss and he said, it's all good. Take a day or two before I do the orientation, all the paperwork and videos and stuff I gotta watch. So yeah, life is good, even when unexpected things come up, you know? It's a little bit of a curveball there. Life is full of little moments like that. I don't know, just makes it more of an adventure, I suppose. It's just weird. Well, I did save a lot of money on this box. It's about the same price as the smaller box at Harbor Freight. I know, cheaper than Harbor Freight. Around the same price. The other one is a lot smaller. The rolling cart from Harbor Freight. All right, so made it home, and in the next video, I unbox this box, the big rolling box. Everybody went home, so it took a while for that dude, seriously, to find the box. The first time and the second time, I was at Home Depot for what seems like a eternity. Don't forget to subscribe, and why not watch another video? I don't just unbox it, I deliver it to my new workplace. That's right. Stick around!